In front of me is CUBOT Note 7, and let me show you how to activate developer mode on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select system and click on advanced. Here you will notice about phone and reach build number. Just tap on it 7 times, then draw your unlock pattern, and as you can see from now on you are a developer. So smoothly go back, open developer options, and here you've got all developer options. So just tap on those features to activate some particular feature, and it's how it works. Smoothly use the switcher and then it will activate some particular function. So this is it. This is how you can activate and use developer mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.